Does your dog's breath leave a little something to be desired? Hi, my name's Nicole Thompson. I'm the creator of Paws to Perfection Promotions. Today I'm going to be whipping up a little batch of our homemade doggy toothpaste that I like to use on our pups when their breath is a little less than fresh. It's a real simple recipe. It's only 3 ingredients. It's unrefined organic coconut oil, baking soda, and just a couple drops of peppermint extract, and that is completely optional. So I've already taken the ingredients here and measured them out. I have 2 tablespoons of the baking soda. I have 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil all measured out, and just a couple drops of the peppermint extract that I just add in for a little extra freshness. You want to go real easy on the amount of the peppermint oil that you put in, or the peppermint extract that you put in, because the peppermint can actually burn their nose, and then you get a lot more resistance when you're trying to brush their teeth. So you just mix the ingredients together. And once this is all mixed together, it's going to be kind of a loose, like a liquidy paste, but that will set up as it cools down a little bit. And you just want to mix it up until there's no lumps left. And it's nice and smooth. And the easiest way that I found to brush the dog's teeth is there's 2 ways that I would do it. One is to take a piece of clean cotton gauze and wrap it around your fingers and then massage along the sides of the teeth and the gum line. And that's actually a really good way to get right in there if you trust your dog not to bite down. The other method I like to use is just a human's soft bristle toothbrush, because what that'll do is it really actually is designed for scrubbing the plaque and tartar away from the gum line. And if your dog will let you do it, that's great, but you do want to be very careful when you're applying the toothpaste or scrubbing the teeth, because if your dog twists their head really fast or opens their mouth as you push in, you could actually jam it in their throat. So you really, really need to use caution when you're using a regular human toothbrush. They do have doggy toothbrushes available if you want to use that. They have the little ones that slide on your finger. Those work great too. So once this is all mixed up, you're going to want to put it in an airtight container. And you can go ahead and use this for a couple of months, as long as you don't keep dipping the dirty toothbrush back in between brushes. It'll definitely keep for you. You just want to keep it in a cool place so that it kind of sets up. And you can see I didn't mix it real well because there's a couple of little lumps in there. So I will continue to give that a little stir. But just take a little bit of the toothpaste each time on the toothbrush and just apply it evenly around the teeth and on the gums. They don't need to rinse, they don't need to spit. None of these ingredients are going to hurt them. So again, those ingredients are 2 tablespoons of melted, unrefined organic coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and the optional ingredient is a couple drops of the peppermint oil or peppermint extract. My name's Nicole Thompson. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to check out the full recipe and get more grooming tips, head on over to my blog at pawstoperfection.com. And I will talk to you again the next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.